What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I am bringing you hot import nights. We are here at Convention Center, and this is probably so far the biggest car show I've ever been. So nonetheless, let's get it started. Off the rip, we have some nice cars over here, guys. We got a nice little engine on this one. Ooh, Toyota Supra. What? Yo, get this guy out. Yes, talk about hot import nights. Right next to a Skyline. Yo, and this is one of the throwback Skylines. What they got under the hood is nice and tight. But then we have the brand new model of the Skyline. An Audi RS5. Oh, bro, I never seen one like this one before. A two-door, nice little short hatchback. This thing rips. Oh, and it's a 5-speed. Nice. With the rolling cage, yo, you know this guy goes fast. Check this baby out. They're ready to put something on it. Oh, they got a whole video under the hood. Yo, what? Check all this interior out, bro. This thing goes insane. Oh man, look how low this is. Yo, the rims. Okay, check the interior out. Not one screen, not two screens, but 3 screens. And they have the one in the hood. What? Yo, they're going insane. And just in case if you missed it, they had 3 screens in the back as well. Just in case, another red Nissan. Well, I don't know if the previous one was a Nissan or not, but yo, check this out. Import, that's how you know when the steering wheel is on the other side. Plus, it's a 5-speed, bro. Yo, okay, so the engine's in the back. I actually don't know what this is, bro. Boy, I don't know. Yo, check out that Nissan as well. Yo, the Nissans are out here. Wild. Ooh, look at the interior. Okay, this one is an automatic, but still. And for you Subaru enthusiasts, we have one here. Wildin'. Look at the side skirts on this one with the lights on. Yeah, it looks like it's a 5-speed, maybe a 6. Nice little interior over here. Rolling cage, so you already know they don't have no back seats. So that means that they're going as fast as this baby goes. Just so you can get a shot of the back, yo, check this out. I want to say they have an air suspension under that, but I don't know what that is. Maybe that's the amp for the airlift. Never mind, that's the pump and whatnot. But yo, get a nice little view of this baby. And once again, this one makes its appearance. It's a nice one, I ain't gonna lie. This one is a nice one. Look at the rims. Look at that color. That color I like. It matches with that. Butterfly doors. TYC. Yo, check the inside out, bro. Like, the inside is crazy. Also, no back seats. They're going as fast as they can. Because who needs back seats, bro? All the sponsors in the back. Let's get a nice shot of this baby. There's always a little bit for everyone. The no Kemaka are right here, bro. Yo, they did this one. Keep those rims though. They did this one. Oh, they also got a video going on in here. Let's look at the interior. I hope it doesn't get taken down because I'm really not trying to get this taken down. Yo, look at that. The ceiling on this one, bro. That's just crazy. Okay, I take it back. This one is actually for the no Kemaka, bro. Look at how low this one is. No extra seats. Yo. Yeah, they did this one. I actually don't know if this is the actual name of the car, Elise, but it might not be. It's a Lotus, I think. I have not seen one of these, but bro, look at that. Look, it's like a baby car, bro. Like, it's so small. It's a 5-speed. Bro, that thing is so small. And for the Honda enthusiasts, they went insane with the chrome on this one, bro. The chrome details on this one is nice. They put this baby super low. Got a little situation going on over there. Maybe it got a little bit too hot. Toyo tires, always. Ooh, got a little bump over here on the glass. Low 5-speed. Nothing drastic in the inside, you know, but that's what it calls for. And then we got a nice lit GTR over here. Some nice pieces in the engine bay over here. All matte, all black. Nice little import 5-speed. Steering wheel on the other side. And then someone said Christian Bale is out here with the Batman car on, even though he brought it into a neon color. But hey, you never see one of these babies around all the time, so look at the back side of this baby. Boy, this is shaped like an arrow, meant to go 110 miles per hour straight. Got the little gift shop over here where they got all sorts of shenanigans that you can purchase and whatnot. Keychains, all sorts of stuff. We'll just keep it moving though. All of a sudden this turned into a sneaker con. Look, yo, they got all sorts of sneakers, but I ain't gonna lie, I thought I saw these the other day at Paxson. So let's see what we can get. So they got all sorts of sneakers over here. None really that catches my eye, to be honest. But they do have some cool joints out here. Got another shop here with a bunch of goodies and whatnot. All the stickers. They got t-shirts. They got, I don't know, keychains, key lanyards. You know, the ones that are shaped like that. Some stickers from Goku, Vegeta, Gotenks, Master Roshi, Krillin, Nas with Pinocchio. All sorts of stuff, mate. You know what I mean? I don't know, I might get something. But then again, I might not. So I don't know, we'll keep an eye out, see what's going on. I don't know, maybe just like a souvenir that says HIN 2022. We'll talk about Vegeta and Gohan. No, not Vegeta and Gohan, Vegeta and Goku. Yo, we have this Audi RX-8, no, R8 maybe, I don't know. But it looks like it's from the rally because it says rally for cause. So I don't know, maybe they did a rally with this one. Not 100. Master Roshi in the back, what's up? For all of your muscle enthusiasts, yo, they got this Hellcat over here, SRT number 715. Yo, that thing goes crazy. I've actually never ridden one of them, so that'd be nice to get in one of these, maybe push the gas as well. But yo, this thing, look at the width of the tires, bro. Like, that's how much grip it has. But also I've heard they're like not the best weight distributors, so your gas just goes out the door when you step on it. Here's something for those that like the trucks that are like raised up high, almost like a Texan style. Has a nice little wrap to this one. Let's see. Oh, bro, it has a Freddy Krueger on the side. Coming up in Halloween theme, we got Freddy versus Jason over here in the back, aka Nightmare. And you guessed it, they have Jason on the other side, bro. Come on now. This is an epic truck. Not that raised up, not like the next one. Okay, now this one, yes. This one is like a, I don't know, like a go off mudding, off-road, whatever. Look at those wheels, bro. I'm sure you can't really like hit a big bumper or what, but this is crazy. Nice wrap as well with it. Let's see. No, I don't know, I think it might be an entire wrap, but the rims look dope. Color is nice. Nice little community Mitsubishi over here with a nice wrap, almost similar to the one to the truck. So maybe that's where they're representing. Got another spot. If you missed it, you can come and get your souvenirs. Oh, I think they do whatever you want to do. So they got a bunch of styles here. You get a shirt, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a zip-up, whatever you want, and then they go ahead and print it for you. So, oh, maybe they got steering wheels as well. So I don't know. Talk about off-roading, bro. Check this one out with those wheels. Yo, those are crazy, bro. I've never seen a Banshee like that, bro. Talk about giggity looking Up next, we're gonna go through a series of the Toyota Supra brand new. Look at this baby, so drop low with the air suspension compared to this one. It has like bigger tires than the one over there, but it's not bad. Okay, maybe not a series, but this is a Scion, which is like the one that we saw earlier with butterfly doors and all that. Yo, I never, okay, yo, these are some sick rims, bro, sick rims. Nice little Nissan 370, I think, or it's a Nismo, I guess. It's one of the new Nismos, so that's what's up with this one. We're seeing it all today. They have the nice little Mitsubishi with the lights on. Nice little hood over here. You know, that's always the struggle. That's why you see me taking the bus all the time. But yo, this is a nice car. Bridgestone tires, so what's up? There's a nice commotion going on over here. I think there's like a photo shoot with a model. I don't know, but we'll see what's up. There's a whole lot going on, so let's move around. So I guess that's what the commotion is all about. All these models are here, ready to take some pictures with you guys. I don't know, we'll see if we can sneak a picture in. I'm really not trying to pay for one if that's the case, but we'll see if we can sneak one in there. Got a nice little shop over here where they're selling all sorts of stuff. Here in the hat import night. A couple more models over here. All sorts of stuff for sale. T-shirts, stickers, posters, everything, bro. They got everything going on over here. Off the models we go and we come back to the vehicles, what we came for. Nice drop, little Subaru hatchback, 4-door. Yeah, I don't know, this thing looks like it goes fast. It's a 5-speed from what I can see from over here. I really like the spoiler in the back, even though I'm not a hatchback guy, but I really like that. I like what's going on over there. And then guess what? We bumped into the drop top Lamborghini. This time it's an orange color. Nice vibrant orange color, not like the matte neon one that we saw earlier, but this one is nice. I like how the interior matches the outside, so that's a good move. Found ourselves a nice little lowrider for I don't know what kind of Ford this is. I forgot if it's a Ford Ranger, I think. Yes, it's a Ford Ranger. So nice little colors, you know, nice little lights in the bottom. They have nice things going on, so nice little ride over here. Gold rims, imported. You know what it is. And then we bumped into this British vibes over here with the Datsun. Look at how simple this is, bro. Like that's it. But it's all like solid structure. So that's why it's so heavy. Found ourselves one of the newest Acuras. I don't know what type of Acura this is, but this is a nice little Acura going on over here. So it's a nice color. They got a nice little color. They got everything going on. Nice stock rims. Clean in the inside. Found ourselves a nice little Nissan 240 SX. Look at it. Well, the engine bay is nice. Got the nice bridge seats, little nice 5-speed. Yeah, they got a lot going on, little hidden details over there. Got a nice little retro odometer and whatnot, so it's not bad. Look at this, nice rims. Got some grit on the tires, so that's not bad. And then more muscle here if you guys need it. We got a nice little Mustang over here with a nice wrap to it. And then let me go around to get a better view of it. But yo, found ourselves a nice little rally car. We got one of these Ford Focuses. Nothing too much going on in the engine bay, but I'm sure that thing pulls, you know. Nice little rims over here. Nice little inside. They got everything going on. It looks like it's an iPod. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is, but yo, they got the whole situation going on in the back over here. You know, talk about let that shit bang. So, and then obviously we had to find a Jeep. For those that enjoy yourselves, a Jeep, nice going in the backwoods and whatnot, riding around. I like this one, nice color to it. It's all lifted and whatnot. They got a whole lot going on. Well, I guess they have the whole DJ with them, and guess who? DJ Mouse. So I guess they got something going on over here. Cannot count out the fast bikes and the retro, the chopper bikes over here. They got a couple of them. Not a whole lot. They got, like I said, they got a little bit of everything for everyone, bro. I bumped into this. I did not know what it was, but like, yo, I still don't know what it is. This is a tricycle, maybe? I don't know, but it's not like it's a bike, but it's like a 4-speed. I don't know what this is, bro. Somebody tell me in the comments down below what this is. Venice? I don't know. It's like one of those cars that's out there that's like, yo, look at the exhaust on the side. Yo, that shit is crazy. I like the inside, nice and clean, nice and simple, but I would like to know what kind of car this is. The first one I think I see in the whole convention got a nice little Corvette with a wrap to it that's kind of unique. It makes it look like it's all made out of carbon fiber, but it really isn't. Nonetheless, these things go fast. I want to say this is an automatic. Got a lot of little unique things to it that I like. From North Dakota, they're visiting the Twin Cities, so that's nice. That's not bad. Nice little Mazda over here. I really like this one. I just like the overall look of this car. I like it. Nice, big, thick tires. You know, old, murdered out RX-7, I guess. I don't know, but it's maybe a throwback RX-7. I don't know. I just love the way this looks and the way it sits. Earlier we saw this truck, and here's the back of it, the hydraulic suspension that I was talking about, the way that makes this a load rider. But they also, I don't know if that's the gas tank, or I don't know if that's where they keep the like water and ice to cool this baby down. It might be one or the other, but anyways, that's where it's at. And let's see if we can locate, oh, the hydraulic system right in there, bro. Nice little stereo system as well. And you already know they probably have this down south vibes to it. The Camaro and a nice vibrant yellow color with some nice rims. They got some light show going on in the rims. Nice little interior. Looks like they did something to it. Camaro SS drop top, white interior. So let's check it out. Okay, yeah, damn, this one is going like. Got a nice little white interior, everything all white in the inside, bro. Don't drop nothing. You better not come in here thinking that you're about to eat hot Cheetos or some Takis with it, bro. Just so you don't get it right, another Camaro. This one is not drop top, this is all murdered out. Red interior, red accents in the bay engine bay? Yeah, engine bay. Nice little, I don't know if this is stick shift or not. Might be, might not be, but yo, I bet this Camaro takes off, bro. I once saw a Camaro and a Maserati race next to each other. They waited, they held the traffic on the red light, and then they let it rip. Boy, did I tell you, those cars were shaking when they're stepping on the gas, bro. That shit was crazy. Got a nice little C10 over here. Darth Vader style, black and red. That goes insane. Nice little maroon in the inside, just in case if you missed it, Darth Vader. Yo, this is crazy. This is a crazy truck. I actually wanted one of these one time. I was gonna trade in something to bring one of these back from back home, but did not happen. So.
Do you guys see a winner center of the stage in their beautiful Cybertruck outfits?
Let's get on this.
Alright guys, we got all the models over here that they were up there in the stage. They were doing their thing, you know what I mean? So shout out to all of them. One of them is looking to become the next in 2022. Alright guys, that was it. Wrapped up in Minneapolis 2022. Until next time, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure that you like the videos, comment, subscribe. Check out the ones in the past. Check the other car shows that I have in the channel. So, till next time guys, peace.